Hey you guys, I am in Barnes & Noble and I haven't been in here in quite some time, but I wanted to hop on here and there's Jared in the background. Anyways, I wanted to hop on here and show y'all what is happening at Barnes & Noble because there is a clearance deal. Well, a ton of toys that are on clearance. It's a good time to stock up on Christmas presents, birthday presents, and yeah, so I'm going to show y'all what's over there. Alright you guys, so we are in the clearance section, so everything is 50% off. And let's just start over here. So there's this cute Dreams Soother. And then there's like Toy Story 4, and then if your kid loves this character, I know she's on Nick Jr. or something like that, but that looks fun. And then Harry Potter, you know I'm a Harry Potter person. It is a wall art. We got some BTS. One of my best friends is really into BTS. She's absolutely loves them. Let's see, and then, oh my god, I wanted this so bad. So this is the Harry Potter Advent calendar, the Funko Pop one. Let's see, it is $60, 50% off, so it's still $30. These, I think, are $10. Yep. And then we got some Frozen 2. I think these are socks, actually. See, yeah, so 12 days of socks, and then you have some notebook, and there's some pencils, $7. Ooh, these are cute. Let's see what else we got. So we got some Book of Wizard Magic, and these notebooks. Absolutely love these moleskins. Love these notebooks. Let's see. And these are all Jared's stuff that he's got. But guys, look what I found. Harry Potter placemat. So I've been eyeing this forever. So it is a 4-piece. It's a large and a small plate, a bowl, and a mug. It's 4-piece, 50% off. And then it's originally $40. $40. I'm going to get this for $20. I told Jared that we are going to use this at our wedding. This is what we're going to eat off of. So let's move on to over here. So there's a lot of games. I don't know a lot of these games, but this, I don't know how much this one is though. Let's see, $15. Oh, if you're a huge Riverdale fan, there's Riverdale. Let's see. 24, so half of that. Oh, Game of Thrones. These little collectibles, $5. Like this. Oh, these been on 50% off forever. So Dragon Ball Z, it's kind of like these figurines. $24.99. See. Ooh, what are these? This is postcard collection, so it's a Game of Thrones. Here is Lord of the Rings. So that's cool. How much are those? $34.95, so half of that. Let's see what else. Ooh. Bottle opener. But yeah, you guys, Christmas and birthday, like, you cannot go wrong with this stuff. Let's see. Oh, $77.99, so half of this. Got some wine stoppers, and I actually want to buy this for my sister-in-law. Alright, so we're in the next section. So there's 2 tables full, but We have some of these. I've never heard of these. It's Align Friends, but they're cute. $10. Winnie the Pooh figurines. This Baby Alive. So I remember when these used to be really popular when I was younger. I don't know how much it is though, but it's 50% off. Let's see. No, I cannot help you go potty, but let's see. $50. So this is actually only $25. So that's actually good. That's a really good price, you guys. All right, and then there's this other baby doll. It's like a little ballerina baby doll. Let's see how much this is, if I can find it. It is $40. Let's see. Some kind of space set. $60, so it'll be $30. And I have no idea what this is, but you know, they're super cute. These things, Ryan's World, so he's popular on YouTube. No, that's not Ryan's World. Oh, it is Ryan's World, yeah. So he's popular on YouTube. There he is. Data East Classic game console, so that's pretty cool. It's like a little mini, like, retro video game, like from back in the day, 90s babies. Let me see how much it is, though. Oh, and you get all these games? That's pretty cool. $100, so $50 for this. Let's see what else they have. Oh my gosh. These, I don't understand these, so please let me know what these are, or what's the purpose in them. So there's Disney. Let's see. There's a little, oh, that's cute. A little weird, but cute. Shopkins. Alright, so the last things are over here. Let's see. There's Hermione, Harry Potter figurines. Oh my gosh, $64. $64.95. Okay, not gonna get that. American Girl accessories. Ooh, these look weird. Super weird. Here's another baby doll. Let's see. Oh, this one looks cool. It's like a little guitar for your kids. 50% off. I already showed y'all that. Rock painting. Oh, that's cool. I remember that used to be like a huge thing, like sometime last year, early last year. But yeah, so this is my 50% off clearance section at Barnes & Noble. This is really cute, this dinosaur. Super cute, but yeah. So, y'all go check y'all's Barnes & Nobles out. And let me know if y'all find any of these deals. And let me know if y'all are going to be buying any of these for birthdays or Christmas. And I will see you guys later. Bye.